Learning to trade can be super frustrating and sometimes expensive for various different courses and programs. That's why today we're going to be talking about Option Tiger versus Inside Options, because these are two potential programs that you could join to make copious amounts of cash. But although Option Tiger might seem pretty good, Inside Options is actually probably the better way to go, particularly if you've got a full-time job. None of this is financial advice, this is for educational purposes only, but without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first, let's take a look at Option Tiger. So this is basically a platform or a guide that's teaching everyone about all of the different strategies to do with options. This could be based around indicators, could be based around certain trading times, and it could be based around certain algorithms, right? But the issue I find with this is there's quite a lot of knowledge to be gained, but it's something that could be quite overwhelming for a beginner, or just overwhelming in general with conflicting different signals and weights depending on whether you want to trade multiple things at once, right? So if we are looking at this generally, yes, if you were to pick one of these, maybe you make some profit, but I think the fact that they have so many different things here could be overwhelming and contradictory for some newer users. Now, if we look at Inside Options, they take a slightly different approach here. This is basically where they have a strategy and they're purely pushing their most profitable strategy here, which only takes 5 to 10 minutes of your day. Towards the end of the trading day, these guys have figured out an edge that basically allows you to take a signal and then execute that signal and then make money if you do it every single day. And there's many examples from this where people have actually made money over a month here, where they've made their money back from the price of the course. And if we look down here, we can actually see that this guy made his ROI for the cost of the program back in less than 20 days and made an extra $1,600 profit. And the good thing about this guy is he actually interviews and does podcasts with everyone on his program, so they can actually testify to this. And none of this is scripted or acted. I've watched a few of these. They're 20 to 40 minutes long, full podcasts, unedited, where they're just talking to each other and talking about the money they've made, the journey they've had while they're trading, and why this has really just helped them overall. And the reason why this has helped most of these guys is it's simple. It's not overcomplicating it. You're not being overwhelmed with a bunch of different indicators and strategies for different times of the day. You're not going to be glued to your phone all day in a trade, sweating, and then potentially being shaken out. This is literally 5 minutes of your day towards the end of the trading period. They'll tell you what to do, and then you follow that from Discord, throw it into your trading terminal, and then, yes, over a period of time, you will make money from this. So this is something that's fantastic and something that has helped me out a lot personally as well. Because if we go back to Option Tiger here, very overwhelming, lots of stuff to learn. Yes, tons of courses and stuff, but this isn't going to help you when all you really want to do is just make money. If you're learning each of these, you're going to have a learning curve for every different strategy or indicator, which could seriously delay the amount of profit you can make. And it could be up to a year before you actually make any money, just because you've got so much to learn, right? And that's normal in most industries. But if you just want to take it from a pro, if you just want to say, hey, can I have your strategy? This is basically what they're doing. They obviously explain why they're taking the trade and they teach you along the way, of course. But just to get involved, start making money within a month, this is something that has really helped me out. It's something that isn't overwhelming. It's simple to do. And it's basically almost automated when you think about it. With these guys as well, they do offer a free discovery call. So you can get on the phone with them. You can talk to them about your trading journey so far, what has worked, what hasn't worked. And for me, they actually helped me and gave me some advice on my trading generally. But really, when it comes to making money, what they do with their trading alerts is just ridiculously profitable. So generally, all you got to do here to get involved, obviously book the discovery call, have a chat with them, of course, but you join the SPX community, you get the daily trading alerts for 5 minutes per day, and then, yes, you execute those trades and you know why, so you have that peace of mind. If you do have any issues, whether it's getting in or out, which I haven't, honestly, they just lay it all out for you. But if you do, these guys are always happy to help you and talk to you at any time, really just showing you what you did right or wrong. But honestly, their system is so simple. It's as simple as just getting in, getting out, setting your stop loss, and if time goes beyond a certain period, get out before the time ends. That's pretty much the strategy, but they have very specific things that they follow with their edge to actually get to that point. But you're just getting the tail end of it, which is very, very good because you just get to make the money. So overall, when it comes to options tiger versus inside options, I am going to say it does go to inside options here just for the simplicity. You're not being overwhelmed. It's a very simple structure and strategy for you to follow, and they can help you one-to-one at any time. So fantastic stuff from Inside Options. Definitely check them out in the description. But that is going to be it for this video. See you very soon.